In this video, you will see how to add text box in LibreOffice Impress. So you can type text on the slide. It's very easy. There are multiple ways. In the first method, you can simply go to the insert option and then just click on the text box and click inside the slide. You will get the cursor and now start typing inside the box. So this is method 1. In the next method, you can simply click on this text box option. After clicking on this option, click inside the slide and start typing. So this is method 2, and there is one more shortcut, method 3. On your keyboard, just press F2 and then click inside the slide, and then you can type what you want inside the slide. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Impress quickly. See you again in the next one.